Alright, what's going on today, guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the 148-piece tool set from the company Cartman. This is a brand that prior to purchasing this tool set I had actually never really heard of before, so I was kind of just taking a risk with this and, hoping that it went well. I mean, for 148 pieces, this was fairly inexpensive, so I was like, okay, this is, I guess we'll see. Hopefully these tools are high quality. The reason I got this is because I just actually moved into a new place. So, we had to get a brand new tool set just to, do like little home repairs, DIY things, hanging up pictures, whatever. Nothing intense or nothing that required, huge tools. It was just, basically something to have around the house that could be helpful. So yeah, so this is what we got. And I'll open it up. So you guys can see inside what we got going on here. And yeah, we'll kind of talk about everything. So you have a pretty wide variety of tools, which is, pretty awesome. Again, it's 148 pieces, so, and there's a really practical variety as well. You don't have doubles of anything or like things that are unnecessary. Everything in here serves a purpose. Great having all this stuff, whether you need to cut things, tighten things, measure, whether you need to hammer something, whatever, you have everything in here. So I'll kind of just go through and then give you kind of the basic idea of what we got going on over here. It's got a measuring tape up here, really nice. It's a 3-meter, 10-foot measuring tape. You have, and everything has its own little slot too, and they stay in there pretty well, so you don't have to worry about losing anything or misplacing something. It's like you always are going to know, like right now I don't have a wrench in here, so I have to go find that. But the cool thing is you can always make sure that you have all your tools, because you'll know, because all the slots will be filled. So you have your screwdriver, your Phillips head, some pliers, nuts, hammers. You have this this screwdriver as well, and you can change out the bits over here, which is really nice. They gave there's a bunch of different bits in here, everything from like hex bits to just regular screwdrivers for Phillips heads and beyond. They gave you a little like plastic box of screws and nails, like miniature nails. Just cool. As you can see, the plastic casing maybe wasn't their best move. It kind of cracked, I think, just upon closing the box. So that was kind of annoying, but small price to pay, I guess. Wrenches, and then you have the mini screwdrivers as well. These are great for things like, either tiny screws that you maybe could find around your home, or like sunglasses, just things like that. And then you have this little black, like electrical tape over here, which is, I think, a nice little addition. I feel like you rarely see that. It's a small roll, but if you don't need to use that much, it's a nice little addition to the whole thing. But yeah, so you really have loads of different tools to work with. Also love the fact that they're all color coded. It's a nice simple red and black. So if you have, I also have another tool set, it's a bit older, it's yellow. So the cool thing is now that these are all red and black, I know that if those accidentally get mixed up, that the red and black ones belong to this toolkit, etc. I almost wish these were also red and black too for that same reason, but again, it is very inexpensive for this thing, so I'm not gonna sit and complain about that. It's like such a little thing like that. All the tools so far, I haven't used every single one of them, but the ones I have used, the hammers, screwdrivers feel very high quality. The rubber grips on them are nice and comfortable. They're all chrome plated. So far we've done just basically home repairs and stuff with them. Small things, hammering nails into the walls, putting up curtains and things like that. So, but yeah, they've done really well so far, so I can't really complain at all. The case is really nice too. I'll shut this so you can kind of get a better idea of the case. This thing, some of these things don't stay in so well, like take that out for now. But yeah, the case is really nice, so you can, it's very slim, it's a very slim, hard shell case. Cool thing about it being so slim is you can just store it away without really worrying about anything, so that's really nice. But yeah, if you're looking for a solid tool set that's not very expensive, because tools can get very expensive, I would highly recommend this. It's the Cartman 148-piece tool set. And yeah, check it out, guys. All right, take it easy.